around 92,000 on average can make a physiotherapist in Australia. तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जो है the minimum salary around 80,000 Australian dollar and maximum the 113,000 Australian dollar. As a healthcare professional given the fast PR visa, this is one of the advantage right now you can avail basically. We need at least 4-year bachelor degree like BPT in India or you did it from Pakistan, then and you must be a registered physiotherapist in the home country. This is the minimum requirement for the physiotherapist process. So hi everyone, welcome to Academically. And today I'm going to discuss about the opportunities for physiotherapists in Australia. So if you are a physiotherapist looking to migrate to Australia, I'm going to cover A to Z process so easily you can migrate from overseas to Australia. So physiotherapist is in the high demand in Australia. As you can see, is one of the critical sector, and they are giving the visa in very short time. So in this video, I'm going to cover basically the opportunities for physiotherapists, what is the salary you are going to earn, and what is the eligibility, what are the steps you need to take, what kind of visa. So I'm going to cover A to Z. But if you have any questions, so please leave a comment below so I can reply. So my name is Dr. Akram Ahmad. I always make videos for you if you are looking to migrate to Australia. If you have still any questions, please leave a comment below. तो नाउ अभी हम आ गए हैं जो कंप्यूटर के स्क्रीन पर और मैंने यहाँ बहुत सारी रिसर्च करके रखा हुआ था आप लोगों के लिए तो दिस माइट बी इजियर फॉर यू to understand. Otherwise, lot of information I have to gather from different sources. So, as you know, in Australia, the first basically the advantage Australia provides 190,000 visa for all the professionals who are looking to migrate Australia. This is for 2024. So, if you are planning to migrate, this is the right time for you. I can say, okay. And currently, we are going to see the how many jobs are available in Australia currently. So these are the screenshot from seek.com.au. This is the number one website in Australia for the job. So I just put it a type this physiotherapist, all over the Australia. So you can see here around 6,146 advertisement right now running. It means that some advertisement might have one physiotherapist they need. Some might need two, some might need 4, 5 also. So these are not the vacancies, these are the advertisement is showing on the seek.com. Right now, a lot of vacancies are available, I can see here. Now the next questions for you that how much money you can make as a physiotherapist in Australia. So if you can see here, this is how much does make physiotherapist in Australia. So around 92,000 on average can make a physiotherapist in Australia. So Australia में जो है the minimum salary around 80,000 Australian dollar and maximum the 113,000 Australian dollar. So if you see this is the median 191,000. So even if you see here the per hour basis $47 per hour salary for physiotherapist in Australia and entry level. When you start your job, first job might be around 80,000 Australian dollar. Or experience it might be increased up to 130,000. This is a very high salary, I can say. So this is a good opportunity for you as a physiotherapist to migrate Australia. And we are here at Academically. No need to worry. We will help you to complete your A to Z process, including to give you the coaching to pass the exam so easily you can migrate to Australia. So these are some of the benefits to migrate to Australia, like high earning potential, as I mentioned earlier, and at 2,000 earlier you are earning. Quality of life, I can say, very high as compared to India. I'm Indian pharmacist living in Australia last several years. And as you know, a lot of opportunity in Australia. And as a healthcare professional, given the fast PR visa, this is one of the advantage right now you can avail basically. Work-life balance, you just need to work 8 hours per day for 5 days. But if some of physiotherapists are also working in 6 days and they're earning more than that money, okay? And professional development, so if you are basically working and sometimes in the hospital if you want to attend any specific conference or any workshop the hospital or your organization will pay behalf of you, so there's a chance for you to upgrade yourself. And education for kids, your family, if you're migrating to Australia with your family, the kids education are free and healthcare also access for free in Australia. No need to worry if anything happened to you to your family, the government will take care for your family. So what is the eligibility to migrate to Australia as a physiotherapist? We need at least 4-year bachelor degree, like BPT in India or you did it from Pakistan, then and you must be registered physiotherapist in the home country. This is the minimum requirement for the physiotherapist process. So these are the some of the steps you need to take basically in order to migrate Australia. The first step called English proficiency test. Number one, the PTE, IELTS or OET, any test you can pass. I will discuss one by one in the next slides. And number two step called document verification you need to do, or we also can call the interim certificate. Okay, so this is done by APC, Australian Physiotherapy Council. Okay, so APC will do this, and we will also help you, will guide you if you have any questions regarding this. So all the step one, we will provide you the coaching for this. We provide coaching for IELTS, we provide coaching for PT, we will also provide coaching for OET from Australia itself. Okay, and we also help you in this step two. Then step three, so step three, this is the exams you need to write, and we will provide you the 3 month live coaching from Australia, including the lot of revisions and the mock test or Q bank. So easily you can pass this exam. And once you pass this, then you also need to go for clinical assessment exam. Okay, so this is the very simple process to migrate. Also, the other four steps we'll go see one by one. As I mentioned, the English you need to see, that the individual 7 band you need in IELTS or PT 65 in academic. Do you need to go for academic one? IELTS academic or PT academic, 65 in PT individual or 7 individual band in IELTS, or OET we need B or 350 above the score. And skill assessment, we need your degree, transcript. If you have any work experience, government proof. For example, you are Indian, we need Aadhaar card, passport photograph, passport, and physiotherapy registration. These are the documents you need to submit skill assessment. And as I mentioned earlier, the first English, then you can apply for a skill assessment. Okay, and APC assessment. These are the exams. Basically, they will ask you around 30 case-based multiple choice questions and 60 general questions, and around the duration of time around 4 hours, and 50% you need to score in order to pass this exam, and no negative marking in this exam. And academically will provide you the coaching for 12 weeks, or I can say around 3 month coaching, then we'll do the revision. So almost before 4 months we'll complete and you will be ready to go into the exam. Okay. And once you complete this process, then you are eligible to apply the visa like 189, 190, 491 visa, and all those visas you are eligible. And academically also provide a financial loan option with no interest rate. So no interest, 0% interest rate pay. You can join us and you can pay the fees in 12-month EMI. Okay. So if you have any questions, please contact us in our, you can call us here on WhatsApp on this number, और मे बी यू कैन ईमेल अस और विजिट आवर वेबसाइट. सो आई होप कि आपको बात समझ में आ गई होगी कि आपको 4 स्टेप करने होते हैं. नंबर 1 पे आपको इंग्लिश का टेस्ट पास करना है, फिर आपको डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन करनी होती है. नंबर 3 पे आपको एक एग्जाम पास करना होता है, उसकी हम लोग कोचिंग कराएंगे आपके. नंबर 1 ये सारे हम कंप्लीट कराएंगे आपको, तो नो नीड टू वरी. एंड लास्टली आपको एक असेसमेंट मतलब जो क्लिनिकल एग्जाम भी पास करना होता है, जहाँ यू कैन रजिस्टर एज ए physiotherapist in Australia. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I will try to make new video on this. And this is for today. And thank you so much for watching this video.